In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a chat on Microsoft Teams for iPhone. If you're new to the app or just switching devices, getting started can sometimes be a bit tricky, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through each step, making it easy and straightforward. First things first, you'll want to open Microsoft Teams on your iPhone. Just find the app icon and give it a tap to launch it. Once the app is up and running, it's time to enter your account details. Enter your registered email address or phone number to access your Microsoft Teams account. Ensuring you've got your login info handy is key here, as it will help you breeze through the process without any roadblocks. Once you've entered your account information, simply click Next. The app will guide you through a few more prompts to ensure everything is set up correctly. Follow along until you see an option to tap on Get Started. This step is crucial as it activates your account on the app and grants you access to the main features of Microsoft Teams. After you tap Get Started, you'll be welcomed to the home page of Microsoft Teams. This is the central hub where you can access all your teams, channels, chats, and meetings. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area, as it will be your go-to location for managing your communications. Now, to begin a chat, you'll need to navigate to the chat section. Locate it on the bottom navigation bar and tap on it. In this section, you can view all your ongoing conversations and start new ones. To initiate a new chat, look for the new message icon, usually represented by a small pencil or speech bubble, or find the text that indicates starting a new message. At this stage, you need to enter the account of the person you want to message. Type in their email address or search for their name if they are already part of your organization's Microsoft Teams. Double check that you've selected the right contact. Communication is key, and you want to ensure you're reaching out to the correct person. Once you're confident you've chosen the right recipient, click Next. This step is especially important as it takes you one step closer to initiating communication. The app might ask you to confirm a couple of details, so click Next again to continue. You're now ready to compose your message to the recipient. Type your message into the text box and hit Send when you're ready. Remember, clarity and friendliness go a long way in online communication, so it's always great to keep your messages clear and positive. And that's it! You've successfully started a chat on Microsoft Teams from your iPhone. Thanks for watching and happy messaging, Tess.